Hello class 10th. Today I am going to start with this new topic, that is the blood vessels in chapter 8, that is the circulatory system. Now new topic in this chapter, the blood vessels. Okay. Blood vessels are branched tube extending from the heart to all parts of the body. They are of three kinds. First one, arteries. Second, veins. And third, capillaries. Okay. Third, capillaries. What are red blood vessels? Blood vessels are branched tube extending from the heart to all parts of the body. They are of three types: arteries, vein and capillaries. Now first one, artery. Artery is a vessel which carries, which carries blood away from the heart, and which type of blood it carries? That is oxygenated blood towards the organs. Okay. And which type of blood is carries? That is oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood rich in oxygen, and exception, that is pulmonary artery. Which carries deoxygenated blood. Okay. Now arteries is a vessels which carries blood away from the heart towards organ, and it carries oxygenated blood. One exception, that is pulmonary artery. It contains or it carries oxygenated blood. See the structure of the artery. See here. Round structure. External layer is called connective tissue. External layer. This one is external layer made up of connective tissues. Second one is middle layer. This one is middle layer, and this one is lumen. This one is middle part. Okay. This one is middle part, and this one narrow lumen in arteries. This one is lumen. MEN. Okay. And this one is endothelium layer. This layer, endothelium layer, and the middle smooth muscles and elastic fiber. This one is middle layer. इसका जो ल्यूमन होता है इसी से पहचानते हैं. वेन और आर्टरी में डिफरेंस होता है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द thickness of this external layer and the size of the lumen. See, this is the structure of TS of artery. This is TS of artery. It contains three parts, that is external layer, and this one is middle layer. This one is internal hollow structure. This is lumen. Lumen कैसा होता है? आपने कभी वाटर वाला पाइप देखा है? इस तरह से स्ट्रक्चर होता है ना, पतला सा पाइप होता है, उधर से वाटर आता है. उसका जो एरिया, जो ब्लैंक एरिया होता है, सपोज दिस इज वाटर पाइप, और इसका ये जो एरिया होता है ये डायमीटर, दिस इज कॉल्ड ल्यूमन हेयर. ओके. जो बाहर का लेयर है दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सटर्नल लेयर. अंदर का जो मिडिल लेयर है दैट इज मिडिल लेयर मेड अप ऑफ smooth and elastic muscles, and this one is endothelium, and this the hollow region is called lumen. Okay. Now next one, artery. Vein. See structure. Now next one is second, veins. Veins is a is a vessel which convey the blood, away from an organ towards the heart. Okay, this is veins. Veins always carries deoxygenated blood, exception, that is pulmonary vein. Carries oxygenated blood. Okay, veins is a vessels which convey the blood away from the organ towards the heart and always carries deoxygenated blood, exception pulmonary vein always carries oxygenated blood. See the difference between the structure of artery and vein. This is the TS of artery. Now see TS of vein. इसका जो lumen होता है is big lumen. This one is big lumen. Okay, and thin external layer and smooth is here. This one is external layer, this one is lumen, and this is middle region. This one is middle region, and this layer is a endothelium here. This one is endothelium. इसका lumen क्या है? In comparison to this one is large, and this is thick, and this is thin here. See, this is middle layer started from here, no? See, thickness of the wall. It's a thick wall, it is thin wall. Okay. Now, characteristics of artery and veins. Now, artery and vein characteristics. Artery, first point, thick muscular wall, here thin muscular wall, second narrow lumen, now second one wider lumen, blood vessels flows in spurts, blood in it flows in spurts, which correspond to the ventricular contraction of the heart. Now here blood flows in it uniformly. But blood flows uniformly. Okay, and have valves, और यहाँ पे valve absent. Valves absent. Clear? Difference between artery and vein. Thick muscular wall, thin muscular wall, narrow lumen, wider lumen, blood inflows in a spurt due to the ventricular contraction or due to the ventricular contraction of the heart, and here blood flows uniformly and have valves present. Valve absent. See structure, size of the lumen, and see the size of the muscular wall, external wall. That is muscular wall. It is thick, it is thin, it is narrow lumen, it is wider lumen. Blood flowed in the spirit. Here valves present, here valves absent. वॉल्स के होते हैं टू बैक फ्लो, टू प्रिवेंट द बैक फ्लो ऑफ द ब्लड. Okay, now see next one, capillaries. Capillaries. Capillaries, or in singular, that is capillary. Okay. Capillary is a narrow tube. Narrow tube. Okay. It wall consists of single layer of squamous epithelial